Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I am a guy who is not as complicated at all when it comes to eating or cooking, this is where this Goya refried beans with chorizo and different spices comes into place. This is so convenient. And the fact that I can just like up in this can on a mashed beef or mashed chicken that I had, just add it into my meals and it just gives a nice texture, a nice flavor because it has all this chorizo and all these different condiments. It's like if you already made your beans and they already come with all whole flavor. So the thing is that I just do any one of my proteins. I just add this with rice. Where I'm at, we eat a lot of rice, or I eat a lot of rice in my diet, and just adding one of these guys is like gives this sparkle up into any one of my meals. So this is a great taste beans. And this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.